I decided to take my wife out on a date today without the kids. We are at Chez Christina, y'all, in the Bay Area. There's so much stuff on the menu. They have appetizers, soup,
The bánh hỏi công thức.
steak, lamb, chicken.
Steak is pretty popular. Can I get
Wow, vegetarian plate.
the jia bao mao, the 3 beans dessert?
Chicken wing with fish sauce.
Ooh.
And hero rolls.
Wow. Their food is amazing here. Wow.
Yeah, the taste is good.
It's so flavorful.
It's moist inside too.
I'm glad we found this place. It is so good.
Wow.
Sizzling. Ooh, perfectly cooked. Tender, very juicy. Definitely a go. That is so tasty. Since it's our date today, I'd like to dedicate you a song. Nhiều khi muốn một mình nhưng sợ cô đơn. Enjoy your date.
Yeah, thank you.
Here's a quarter.